Hi everyone, in this video I am going to talk about bounded generic types. Bounded generic types have a couple of benefits. First, it allows compile time enforced restrictions. So we can detect the error at the compile time. Second, it increases the number of permitted method calls. It is specified using the keyword extends. Here I have shown you two examples. In the first example, I am extending the parameter type with number class, and I am passing one variable as a parameter to print a number method. If I invoke the print number method by passing an integer, it will work fine. But if I try to invoke print number method by passing a string value, the compiler will show an error. In the second example, I am extending the parameter type by number and one interface class. I can specify multiple interface also, but I can only specify one class. Now let me show you this with the help of an example. In the main class, I have one main method and I have defined two methods. First, let's look at the print method. In the print method, I am extending parameter type t with number class, and I am just printing the value of a, which I am passing in as an argument to print method. Now in the main method, you can see that I am defining one integer value and one double value. Since both integer and double are subclasses of number, I can pass them in the print method and compiler will not show any error. If I try to run this program, then the value of integer and doubles will be printed in the console. Now if I try to invoke the print method by passing some string value, then the compiler will show an error. In the second method, I have defined another method max. I am passing two parameters a and b. So here I am extending the number class again, and I'm also extending the comparable interface. Now I can call compare to method on a, and I can pass the b, which is the second argument, and I can check whether a is greater than b or not. The compare to method will return positive value if the value a is greater than b. So it is showing an error because I am returning void. Now let me change it to t. It will work fine. Now let me call this method from the main method. I can pass 10 and 20. Now let me run this program. I forgot to print it, so let me print it. Let me call this on some double values also. Now I will invoke this main method. You can see that the maximum value is printed in the console. So in the max method, I am extending number and comparable interface. That's why I am able to invoke compare to method on a. If I remove this comparable, then the compiler will show me an error. This is all about bounded generic types. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.